So my next guest today is Victor Madero from SMTVYS.
Yes.
Nice to see you, Victor.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So you've got some pretty interesting lines that you represent down here. Maybe you can refresh our memory with what are the main lines that you're representing?
Sure. I would like to know, discuss more about the solutions. We have a full SMT solution.
Yeah.
And we're handling this almost with the Hanwha.
Mm-hmm.
And as well on the inspection side, we have the Omron solution,
Okay.
SPI, AOIs, and the X-ray machines.
Yes.
And then for the back end, we have the conformal coding, we have the programming solution, we have the ESD solution, we had some automations.
Mm-hmm.
Then we added on top of that, and as well we had some inspection solutions for the back end too.
Right. So a couple of these lines are fairly new to you. I mean,
Yeah.
One of them you mentioned earlier before we started filming was VJ.
Yeah, you're right.
So talk to us a little bit what you think VJ is going to do to help support you down here.
Sure. Actually, well, as I think most of the market know, VJ is a well-known brand.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
So they have a lot of history on the market. Mm-hmm. So in regarding to what they bring to my company, they bring the name, they bring the solution, and it has been already proved from the companies.
Yeah.
And what we can bring to them is the solution on the support, mm-hmm. and then on the bringing more leads to them.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I mean, of course, VJ is very well known for their rework systems.
Yeah, you're right.
And of course, they've got the X-Quick small X-ray system as well.
Yeah, for the X-ray systems too.
Yeah. Another new range that you brought in is a coating system.
Yeah, you're right.
For conformal coating. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Sure. The new solution we're handling on the conformal coating and dispensing solution is a machine that has a linear motor.
Mm-hmm.
And then we combine that technology from Japanese-made valves.
Yep.
It's for high definition, for very thin areas, very difficult applications. We use in these valves.
So you get really tight line definition around
you're right.
these areas.
Yeah. So we've been installing this machine this valve not only for our machine,
mm-hmm.
as well for other brands.
Okay.
So you can integrate in other brands.
Oh, so you can put other valves into the machine and
Yeah.
work with it.
You can put our Japanese-made valves into any system you have.
I see.
Yeah, but
Okay.
on top of that, we're including our system that has a linear motor, so you can have more speed and better accuracy.
Better accuracy.
Yeah.
Great. Super. So, I mean, obviously, one of the big things down here is support.
Yeah.
You've got 5 engineers, I believe,
Yeah.
full-time on support. Talk to us about what sort of training do you give them? Are they fully insured and everything else like that?
Yeah, I will use the example of the BJ.
Mm-hmm.
So we will stay here in Guadalajara for 1 more week, so our people can be trained on the machine we have already here on the show.
Yeah.
And then the plan is to bring this service team later on to the US so they can be trained on the X-ray systems too. As you know, bringing the X-ray to Mexico is very difficult because of permits. Mm-hmm. So we will do that training on the US. And right now they have been on the Omron training already for a month.
Yeah.
So they've been coming back and forward to Guadalajara from all different locations in Mexico. Yeah. So they can be ready for the Omron too. So.
Yeah, I mean, well, Omron makes X-ray as well.
Yeah.
So I mean, you have the same issues there.
Very similar, yeah.
Yeah. It's a very good brand,
Yeah.
Omron, sure. Great. So things all seem to be going well. What about the market here? I mean, it's been back a little bit the first 6 months of this year, but I mean, it's pretty much been happening everywhere.
Yeah.
How do you see it going forward?
So we're working with our customers mainly for projects that will begin in 2025. So we saw the market is kind of slow right now during the next 3-6 months, but after that I see many projects. We're working in the big companies, global companies projects, and their numbers are huge right now for the Mexico market.
Right. So you think maybe after the American election things will start to open
Yeah,
up
you're right.
again?
Yeah.
Great. Super. Well, it's always great to catch up, Victor. And,
thank you.
Hear what's happening with you.
Sure.
So thank you for coming in and talking to us today.
Oh, thank you for your invitation.
For micro dispensing, there is one product line that is proven and trusted by manufacturers in semiconductor packaging, electronics assembly, medical device, and electromechanical assembly the world over. DL Technology. Superior pumps and needles for the finer things in life.